Hello. Today we're going to talk about using NoodleTools to create your Works Cited page. So we will be exporting what we have put into NoodleTools into a Works Cited page on a Google Doc. So to start, we're going to log in to NoodleTools, noodletools.com. Once we've signed in to our NoodleTools account, we should be able to view our projects that we've worked on this year. So we're going to be using Malcolm X as our example. I didn't really use the dashboard for this project as much as I used the Sources tab. These were the 5 sources that I used to get my information from. And if you know that this link right here takes you to the live web page if you forgot what it was that you were looking at or which source was which, you can check that there. But today we're going to focus on this button, the print/export button. So once we're done, we don't have any other sources we're interested in using for this project, and we're ready to finalize our Works Cited and turn in our project. You can go to print/export. You can export to a Word document, an RTF, a website. We're going to use export to Google Docs. It's probably going to prompt you to sign in to Google Docs if you have not already. And also you want to make sure that if you installed a pop-up blocker that there's no alert in the top right-hand corner up here. But I had already signed in, so it automatically exported to my Google Docs account in alphabetical order. Correct punctuation, correct italics, correct spacing, correct indents. I don't need to do anything else at this point except for maybe rename it or save it somewhere that I can remember and make sure that I share this with my teacher so that I can get credit that I have cited all of my sources. And that's all you have to do. So again, from NoodleTools, that was print/export and print/export to Google Docs.